Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new, and today I am trying out magnetic lashes for the first time. And I know you are super pumped for this video and just super excited and just jumping out your seats, so let's get on with it.
So this is the specific kit that I got. It's from the brand Era Shine. Really nice compact packaging in a nice little box, and here's what it looks like on the inside. There are 5 different pairs of lashes ranging from natural to super glam, and there are 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliner and a pair of metal tweezers, which turned out to not be such a great idea. My first impression of the lashes was that it looked really nice and good quality, but I was worried that the thick magnetic band was part of the lash, but thankfully the magnetic band is just meant to hold the lash in the packaging, but the actual lash itself only has 4 to 5 little magnets on it. And this is what the eyeliner looks like on the inside. It is a brush tip, which I was kind of apprehensive about because I do not do well with brush tip eyeliners. I'm more comfortable with felt tip. So we'll see how it goes for sure.
So what I'm going to do is use my felt tip eyeliner and just make a wing on the outside, just so I don't have to deal with that with the brush tip. And also usually this is the extent of how much eyeliner I put on, and since it's a strip lash I'm gonna have to put it on my whole eyelid, and I usually don't do that, so. So this is definitely a little more eyeliner than I am used to putting on every single day, but in order to get the strip lash to stay, you gotta put it on your entire eyelid. Usually I just make the little wing and call it a day. I'm just worried about drawing too thick of a line and then overpowering my double eyelid space and then making my eyes look ultimately smaller. This band part, if you will, minus the wing, is the magnetic eyeliner, and I did the wing in regular felt tip eyeliner just because I felt more comfortable. So I think they are ready for the eyelash. I am taking the medium-sized one directly from the middle of the kit. I already put on some mascara earlier just so that these false lashes have somewhere to sit. Oh. Well, that was the fastest application I've ever done. I don't know, they don't feel very secure. Oh god. So usually what I have to do is trim my lashes a little bit just so that they fit my eyelid a little bit better, and I definitely feel that when I close my eyes the edges of the lashes are stabbing the corners of my eyes because it is too big. So I think I'm gonna take them off and trim them a little bit. I might have to take this much off, and that is quite a bit, but hopefully it won't stab my eyelid as much. I took some off both ends, and they might be a little too short now. But hey, that's why there are 5, right? And also I purposely picked one that I didn't really see myself wearing that much. I mainly see myself gravitating towards the smaller ones, but let's try it out. It feels like glue, you know? It feels like you're sitting it down on very tacky glue. Okay, that feels way better, and I like how it looks. I think I'm gonna have to trim every single one of those. But I usually have to trim my lashes anyway for them to feel a little more comfortable. And I was kind of worried about them staying up, but it doesn't seem like it has a problem doing that. So yeah. This is really uncomfortably close, but on here the eyeliner came off a little bit, probably because the magnets took it off. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to get that off the eyelash itself, but I am going to reapply the eyeliner. What I do like about this is that if it starts coming off in the middle of the day, you can just kind of like stick it back on, as opposed to glue. If it comes off, then it's just off, you know, you need glue to reapply it again.
So yeah, the eyeliner came off my eye a little bit, which I wasn't expecting, but I think that is probably my fault because I put on the lash probably before it was completely dry. Or maybe I just put too little on the inner corner and it just came off really easily.
Sometimes when I wear lashes and it's just been a really long day and I just don't want to deal with the lashes on my face anymore, I just kind of take them off. But then at that point, like, I have to make sure that I'm not going anywhere for the rest of the day because it kind of ruins my eyeshadow. Like when I take off my regular strip lashes, it takes off like half of my eyeshadow with it and it just looks really bad. But I'm glad for these ones, if they start to get uncomfortable, you can just kind of like take them off and you still have your eye look. It's like intact, you know? I'm trying on the thinnest pair, which I see myself wearing the most, just because they're like a little more natural and everyday. Super natural. Doesn't even look like I have lashes on. It has come to my attention that the liner is not dry at all. So yeah, ultimately this isn't that much different from regular strip lashes with glue. Okay, so here is my final review. This is my opinion on these magnetic lashes. And keep in mind, these are the only magnetic lashes that I've ever tried, so this review is for this brand specifically. I don't know if other brands are like different or anything. Here is my overall opinion, first impression on magnetic eyeliner and lashes. So here are the pros. You can take them off in the middle of the day if they get uncomfortable and not completely destroy your eye look. You can switch them out, like if you apply a thin one and then you decide you want a thick one, no big deal. Just take it off, put on a thicker one. There's no glue that can get stuck in your tear duct and glue your eyelids together. And because there's no glue to get in between the lashes and ruin them, these will probably last a lot longer than regular strip lashes. And here are the cons. The eyeliner takes forever to dry, so you're not really saving a lot of time there. If you have very limited eyelid space like I do, then the eyeliner is going to take up a significant amount of space, and that may take away from our eye look. It is a little bit pricey. I feel like it's way cheaper to just get some Ardell Demi Wispies and just some eyelash glue, and that'll probably be like $15. These were a little more expensive, but I feel like they may last a little longer, so it might balance out. And you're also paying for the eyeliner too, so I guess it's worth. The eyeliner might come off a little tiny bit, as you can see it's already doing, because the magnet is stronger than the actual eyeliner. But I think that's because I didn't let it dry. You can't really tell like when it's completely dry. And you might have to give it like a solid like 10 minutes just to be sure. So that's like way longer than if you just had glue and then you just put it on. So overall, do I like these? Yes, I do. Do I recommend them? Yes, I do. Do I feel like they are life-changing and that you should never ever ever buy lash glue again? No. And that is what it is. I really enjoyed trying this. Like, you should definitely give it a try. The specific kit that I got will be linked in the description box below if you want to try it. If not, there are several other brands on Amazon that you can try by just searching magnetic eyelashes. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week. Bye!
Okay, so not quite bye yet. I didn't mention in the video that the lashes were relatively beginner friendly, and I feel like it was pretty easy for me as someone who regularly wears strip lashes with glue. So I mean, as long as you're used to regular strip lashes, then I don't think these will be very challenging whatsoever. But yeah, you guys saw how I did. You guys saw that I did not put enough eyeliner on my inner eyelid area, so that was what caused it to come off a little. And I also tried on 2 different pairs of lashes. Usually I'll probably just, you know, put on the liner and just wear 1 pair for the day. And me taking it off and putting it back on so many times also probably had something to do with it. But yeah, there is this part of me that wants to make this video 10 minutes, which is why I'm like making this little bonus audio at the end. If you're still here, like, wow, props to you, thank you. I highly doubt anyone is still here though. Yeah, so Just wanted to remind everybody to stay safe, wash your hands, and take care of yourselves with everything that's going on right now. It's kind of crazy, and I have been like a little affected by like everything that's been going on and like everything that's been changing, but perhaps not as much as some other people are affected. But yeah, I thought I might talk about that a little bit next week. I'm still going to be posting, and I have a lot of great video ideas coming up, so stay tuned. Bye for real now.